Hi guys, Chris again with Total Vise. On this, I want to show you again, I've already talked to you about the speed track locking head, and also the speed track swing pedestal. So this is adjustable, and it's got a footrest down here to kind of help keep this thing sturdy. The bolts to this just slips in here. You can loosen this up and make a different adjustments. I'm going to install. This is a universal adapter. This universal adapter fits most transfer cases, most transmissions. So it's very versatile. And we do have other attachments that you can use for different transmissions. So what I'm going to do is going to stick this transfer case in here and show you how easy it is to use. So, I got the transfer case in, and you can see that it's pretty universal to turn this any direction you would like. It's against the bench, it's strong, I can lock it into position. So it's not going to go anywhere. Of course the bench would be attached to the wall, so it's pretty sturdy. So I can do that, and then if I'm assembling or reassembling or taking this apart, it's very easy to do because it's held stationary for me. I don't have to battle with it. I don't have to fight with it. I don't have to come up with different ways of balancing it, which is quite common for us. We need things that are stable and sturdy. So here I've got this part. There you go. So this is assembled. But if you're reassembling or putting it together, get it all cleaned up, you can stack this entire transfer case all together, have it all ready to go, put your covers on, attach everything, and one man. You don't have to have two hands on this. This is like an extra pair of hands for you. So again, this is Total Vise. This is the swing arm pedestal. Okay? I'm going to show you something else in just 1 minute.